And good morning Facebook, how are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub, and it is bright and it's sunny. Well, what a weekend that was. Rain, wind, gustiness, loads of gustiness. But we've got another bright and sunny day and another chance to be awesome this week. Can't wait. I hope you all had a brilliant weekend. Yeah, it's been really good. So what we got going on in the hub this morning? So got a Ford Transit non-runner. Need some software updates and a PATS alignment. We've just come to put my Ford software on and it's not working. So we've got the awesome team at Garage Vitals sorting it out for me as we speak, remotely, remote access. Look at this. Sent them a quick message this morning. Can you update my software? Will's on it. Absolutely awesome. Thanks, Will. You're awesome. What else have we got going on? Oh, I've been watching in the background. Morning, Stephen. Watching in the background, Harmonic Motion podcast. I'm on it. Episode number 8. James Dillon and I chatting about the industry, the history of SimplyDiag.net. So they're on YouTube, Harmonic Motion podcasts, or on Spotify, or your favourite podcast provider. So I'm just going through it. A bit of a shaky Jake on it, to be honest. You'd tell I was getting tired by the end of it, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. Morning, Lee. How are you, mate? And what have we got going on this week? We've got 3 ride-alongs this week. 3 ride-alongs this week. And then I think next week I'm off to, where am I going? 27th, we're over to Amsterdam with the DPF Doctor. We've got a DPF Doctor event in Amsterdam. Morning, Richard. And the week after that, I'm down at Technical Topics for the EPROM course. Really looking forward to that. And yeah, it's going to be awesome. And then we're off up to Ashington to DPF Doctor HQ. We're going to take Thunderbird 5 up there. We're going to block the Pickler Tools Volvo. We're going to take that up there, block the DPF up, try out a load of different cleaning methods and training methods, do a few training videos while we're up there. So yeah, Thunderbird 5 should be travelling up to Ashington very soon. Yeah, I love Mondays. I love the start of a new week. Another week to be awesome. Morning, Trevor. How are you, mate? Morning, Richard. Yeah, it's going to be fantastic. What a week. What a journey we've had. And there we go. We'll get to do it all again this week. So, without further ado, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was your birthday over the weekend, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow, happy birthday. Morning, Chris. How are you, mate? Oh dear, yeah. Awesome. Can't wait. I love a fresh start to a fresh week. Blank slate, let's go again. Absolutely awesome. And 3 ride-alongs this week. Can't be bad, can it? Eh? That's what we like. So, whatever you're doing, have an awesome week. Be the best you can be. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.